Hello friends. So in my today's video I'm going to explain you how to declare variables and what are the data types of these variables. So I have downloaded the Python 3.7.0 version. It is an IDLE as I told in my previous video. There are what are variables is in my previous video and the link is in my bio. You can search and I will give you the link of how to download the Python in my bio. So as it is ideally a is equals to 10, b is equals to 158, and I want to know the type of b. So the type of the b is integer, that is int, whole numbers. So let's go to next example. Flag is equals to true. So type of flag is boolean. That means it is an boolean, like true or false, like gender, female or male. These all are booleans. Next example is y is equals to 12.6. Type of y. As it is a decimal, I have given all the data types in my previous video. You can go through. So it is a float. Decimal is called as float. And my next example is x is equals to 1 plus 10j. So print x dot real and x dot image. So x dot real is 1.0, which is float. It is real one, and image means a mixture of 10 and j. That is, it will not display 10j, but it will display 10.0. That is, it is taking the float value. So what is the type? Type is complex. Data type is complex. A is equals to string. Type of A. Type is, it is in double quotes, so it is string. Next is y is equals to 12. So I want to convert this integer value into float. So c is equals to float of y. Then if we print c, then we'll get the answer as, if we print c, then we'll get the answer as 12.0. Next, 1 is equals to Tommy, comma 19.39. Type of 1, it is list. So in list you can give various anonymous various things, that is Tommy, cat, 12.9, 13, integer, any data type you can give in the list. So m is equals to 4 comma 2. Type of m is tuple. Tuple means it is basically a row. So 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, only one type of integer, only one type of data, that is integer. It doesn't accept strings and all. So this is the main difference between list and tuple. List accepts even integer, string, etc., float also, but tuple doesn't accept float, string. It accepts only integer. So list is enclosed in square brackets, and values under list is called item. They are index or order. List, they are index or order, and they are enclosed in square bracket. This is the second difference. First difference, as I told you, that it accepts even numbers, that is integers, floats and string. And tuple are enclosed in normal round brackets, and tuple is a sequence of data type of any value. It follows index of integer values only. It doesn't follows any other data type, and it is also called as row. Tuple means row. So what is set? Set is an unordered collection of values of any type with no duplicate entry. No duplicate entry can be accepted. So this is given square brackets, in that inside round brackets, and you have to declare the values, only integer values. So 1, 3, comma 2 I have declared, you can see. So type of S is set. So we have various operators. So what are operators? Operators are the symbols which compute some task. They are divided into mathematical operators, logical operators, relational operators, etc. So in mathematical operators we have addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication, division, into, division, dividing, and module or remainder, that is percentile. Integer division is also divided. So what is the difference between division and percentile? Percentile gives the remainder value, and division symbol gives the quotient value. Example 3 by 6. It gives the quotient value is 2, whereas 3, if you divide it by 6, the remainder value is 0. So percentile module or remainder value is 0. And integer division means it only divides integer, it doesn't divides float, whereas in normal division you can even divide the float values also. So into is star is used for multiplication. So to do exponential values or power values, we use double star. So next type of operators are relational operators. Relational operators are less than, greater than, lesser than, equals to, greater than, equal to, double equals to, not equals to. So I'll be giving